and then pull them out.
Namaskar. Welcome to YouTube channel Marathi and Malayali.
Get the crunch and make puris out of it. I've also made this chole curry, which is
In today's vlog, let me share 2 hacks that I felt practically useful after using microwave in Germany. If fridge is not defrosted, leafy vegetables become soggy fast. Even you might have faced this issue. So I thought, let's try this microwave in order to dehydrate the leafy vegetables. Indian dishes are incomplete without leafy vegetables, and when I saw them in Lidl, I was very happy.
buying new coriander. I thought, why not use this coriander stems? This is what my Achi does. She always removes stems aside and then she uses them in curries, gravies. It gives nice thickness plus flavor too. The easy step to preserve and to have it for longer time in our preparations is by putting it on a kitchen towel, and on that we put this coriander, spread it nicely, and then tuck it in the microwave oven.
During our stay in Germany, microwave turned out to be a blessing.
So 5 minutes getting over. Yeah, you're ready to pull it out. It's hot. I will get a towel to pull it out. See? Get the crunch.
Did you find this trick useful? If yes, let me know in comment section. Yay! Snowfall is here. Our surroundings are covered with a thick layer of snow. As a tourist, we were fascinated with snowfall. But imagine getting up every day and walking in this ice. Difficult, right? And even if you have a car, you have to clear the ice like the lady here is doing. So I feel India is best. Even if it rains, at least the rainwater goes down. It doesn't stack up like this ice here. So yeah, our Kutupara, as in Kerala, is best. Traditionally, we have been using microwave for reheating food. There are definitely ways in which we can use this microwave to the fullest. If you don't want to deep fry papads, here is a healthy option.
Iru, the oil is more Iru. That's all. To coat it first. Coat करायचं oil ने. Have to coat it with oil. हाँ.
Just apply a layer of oil on papad and tuck them in microwave oven.
And then we are going to put it in microwave. Oh, photo काढते. We'll just put it in microwave and then check, okay? And then we'll put it here. And since it's manual timer, I may not be able to tell you how many seconds to put it for, but see.
Daddy, Mama, Daddy.
So let's give it some more time.
Mama, Kevin with it. Kevin with it.
7 papadams. Very good. Now Now let's top it and turn the sides, flip the sides.
Daddy. Mama, Daddy.
Isn't this option a healthy one against frying them in oil?
काही आपण
झालं नाही त्याचं अजून अजून झालं नाही थांब थांब थांब.
पाहिजे आयडो करते
And then pull them out. So this is the easiest way to fry papadam. So now on microwave is the only solution for me.
Mama, Daddy.
Yes. So papadams are done. So we'll just let it cool down a bit, let the steam escape, and then our papads are ready.
Did you find this trick useful too? If yes, let me know in comment section.
So come, I'll show you what's today's menu. So for today it is kanni, brown rice, then it's moong and cabbage toran, sausage and papadam. Our 7 weeks in Germany are coming to close. This was the flour that I showed you in the last video of my purchase. This was the Weizen meal, which is nothing but maida. And then this is dinkel meal, which is nothing but atta. So today I thought, why not use this atta and make puris out of it. And for that, I've also made this chole curry, which is North Indian style. It has got tea masala. I would like to show you the color difference between the two. This is maida, and the next one, this is the atta. Just see the color. So this is slightly brownish. I'll show both the spoons together, and you'll be able to understand the difference better with the color. Yeah. So even if you look at the puris that I've rolled and kept here, they're slightly brownish. So I'm happy that before going at least I'm clear about which atta is to be used for cooking.
In Germany.
Especially because I'm atta lover, as in wheat flour lover. I'm happy that I discovered this is the one that I need.
There it is, our chole and bhature with pickled orange, pickled cucumber and onion. Subscribe to our channel
Marathi
Manati.
and
Anna.
Malayali.
Manali.
See you in the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.